Shopify integrates seamlessly with PIRO, enabling an easy link between the two systems. The key features and operation of the integration will be presented in this short video. The items presented at the storefront are configured in PIRO and Shopify as well. To ensure consistency, these are configured with the same SKU, and this is the key that enables the sync to function. Based on the product SKU, the two systems are linked and are constantly in a bi-directional sync. Products can have all kinds of variants with different pricing, and product attributes are synced across the two systems. As you can tell, the SKUs for the selected product are identical in both systems. At the checkout phase, all customer-related information will be saved and transferred to PIRO, such as name, email, address, phone number, billing, and shipping info. In the case of an existing customer, PIRO will only create a new order without duplicating the customer in the database, since existing customers are identified based on their email addresses. Once the checkout is complete, the order will appear almost instantly in Shopify, and it will sync to PIRO with all the details. It can be synced as a job order or a sales order based on preference and depending on the business model. In this demo, the orders from Shopify are synced as sales orders, and you can observe that the order code is an exact match with the order code of Shopify. This lets you track the order in both systems with consistency. The order will sync with a new status in PIRO, and the Shopify order status will remain unfulfilled until a shipping label is generated in PIRO. As shown, all the order details given at the storefront were synced, such as customer, the item, and the item attributes. The available column shows the current stock level of the product. A predefined workflow is pulled, but PIRO has the flexibility to be configured to match your business case. The order can be deducted from stock and invoiced immediately, sent to a back order, and components can be automatically purchased if this is the case. In case the product is in stock, it can be invoiced, and PIRO will deduct it from the inventory. The inventories between PIRO and Shopify are linked, and any kind of movement is synced between the two systems, so there's no need for manual data adjustment. PIRO offers the flexibility of deducting the product from multiple inventories in case the stock is kept in multiple locations. Furthermore, PIRO allows selecting the corresponding workflow if the jewelry is sent to backorder or components need to be purchased. All these operations can be performed with a single click of a button from under the Actions dropdown. In this demo, the product is already available, so the next step is to create an invoice for the order. The payment from Shopify is synced as an overpayment. PIRO will offer to add the payment to the invoice and generate the invoice automatically, thus deducting the item from the stock. The invoice inherits the order code as a reference number, ensuring consistency throughout the life cycle of the order. This enables to easily identify the invoice belonging to the order. PIRO has a built-in shipping module that works together with the invoices. To update the status of the Shopify order to fulfilled, a shipping label must be generated. The label is linked to the invoice, and the invoice is linked to the order, ensuring seamless tracking and enabling the status sync. Once all the required details are entered, the order is ready for shipping and can be shipped. Once the shipping button is pressed, a few more details need to be entered, and the shipping label is ready. The system also notifies the shipping provider that the package is ready for pickup. Once the order has been shipped, the status of the Shopify order automatically changes to fulfilled. There is no need to update the statuses in both systems. As shown, the shipping label has been synced as well, so everything is set for this order. PIRO has a bidirectional product sync that enables seamless product maintenance between the two systems. Let us take, for example, this razor blade necklace. It has a set price in both PIRO and Shopify. Now let us update the price and description in Shopify. Within a few minutes, the changes are being carried over to PIRO as well. As demonstrated, the description and pricing has been updated in PIRO as well. Important details like prices and description can be updated using only one of the platforms, allowing you to focus more on customer interaction. In case of a new product, when created in Shopify, it will sync to PIRO within a few minutes.